Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by making sure the Toshiba is on and you're signed in. If the wireless adapter is external, plug it in now. Once done, open the Start menu and Type Settings to jump straight to System Controls. You do this because modern Windows controls airplane modes centrally. Accessing Settings puts both wireless and hardware options in one place. Make sure you have admin access or credentials available so any adapter changes can be applied without interruption. You now navigate to Network and Internet and select Airplane Mode. This screen controls all radios at once. Toggle the airplane mode switch to off so Wi-Fi and Bluetooth can reconnect automatically. If you don't see a toggle, press Win plus A to open the Action Center and use the airplane tile there, because some Toshiba drivers route control through the quick actions. Make sure to wait a few seconds after toggling so the radios can reinitialize and discover network. You finish by checking the Wi-Fi icon and reconnecting to your network. If networks don't appear, open Device Manager and look under Network Adapters to confirm radios aren't disabled. If an adapter is disabled, right-click and enable it, or update the driver if needed. If reactivation fails, restart the Toshiba to force driver reinitialization. And as one key troubleshooting tip, temporary BIOS or hardware airplane switches exist on some models.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.